Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We are now in Diamond Clinic of Al-Zubairi Group. With us now Dr.
Sayyid
Your full name please?
Sayyid Ahmed.
Sayyid Ahmed. I am Umar Salam.
Okay.
From Baldash Group.
Nice to meet you.
He is the manager of Baldash Group and the voice of him. Just can you take some information from your kindly tell you say about the situation of the here in the Australia area. How can you deal with the patients here?
Actually, most of the patients here, they are, nowadays because it's cold season. So mostly to 90 to 95% of the patients, they are for chest infections. Mostly chest infections.
Mm-hmm.
The other 5% they are mixed. Some people with gas problems, like GIT problems.
Yes.
Some with back
Yes.
pain related
Yes,
to
yes.
their work. Some have muscle aches related to dehydration.
Yes.
Now the dehydration cases have been started because the weather is getting hot during daytime. So these are all kind of very simple type of patients which anyone
I
can
think some patients also having injury patients also.
Yes, some injury
Because
patients
the
coming.
industrial area or the garage
True, very true. But most of the time they are very simple injury. For example, they have cut their fingers. Yeah.
Yes.
Very superficial injury, so
Yes.
we can stitch it easily. For more deeper, since I did not get any serious patient until now, but for any deeper patient, I will definitely refer it for research.
For how long is the Diamond Clinic you are there?
Almost 3 months.
3 months.
Almost.
How is going your care?
Very good.
Very good.
I'm satisfied.
Before where are you?
1 year I work here in Alain, and more than 1 year I work in Abu Dhabi.
After complete the doctrine, you are from
I am from
Pakistan.
Pakistan. I am
Yes.
from Pakistan.
Yes.
I'm Pathan, basically from Peshawar.
Mashallah, mashallah. Very
That's why I'm fit here.
important to fit here because of so many people living from Pathan
True.
community.
Actually, here 99% people are Pathan.
Yes, yes, yes.
Only 1% are Indians and Bengali mixed.
Yes. How many languages you can talk?
Many.
Many.
Bengali, English, Arabic, Urdu, Pashto, Punjabi.
Fantastic, doctor. Fantastic. You are suitable here.
I think so.
How many patients every day you deal?
Our average is 20 patients.
20 patients. How many
Because the
doctors
clinic
you
is
see?
very new. The clinic
Yes,
is almost
very new. Very
3
new. I'm
months
seeing very
old.
new.
Yes.
Very new.
If we are getting anybody for advertisement, then more and more patients are coming. Because, for example, if you got any person in the field,
Too much population.
yes. For example, I am feeling tired from 3 days. I
Yes.
don't care. And if you tell me, oh, we have a doctor, then you, oh yes, I am sick.
Yeah.
Then you remember.
Yeah, and advertisement is very important
Exactly.
to come the patients in our clinic.
Exactly.
How can you can build the insurance? The insurance policy is here too much
Strict.
complicated because
Exactly.
how can you do?
From the first, I think I am doing the same thing when I was entering this field. So
Yeah, all the process is coming from the receptionist. No?
Yes.
But what is a giving to you
Actually, for every patient, you have to give at least 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
At least 15 minutes. In
Yes.
15, because our Pathan patients are more complicated.
Mm-hmm.
You have to, even if you are writing Panadol, single Panadol,
Yes.
you have to explain to them, this is Panadol and this is for a headache, and you have to take it like this and that.
Yes.
Then he is very happy when he go up, oh, the doctor is very good. And
Yes.
he is explaining this
Yes.
thing and he is very worried about me.
Yes.
Then you get the feedback. This is a type of, mental therapy. If you are sending the patient satisfied from this door, he is already satisfied from this hospital. The rest of the 20% that he is sick will get the medicine.
Any experience from Pakistan you have? How many years?
Vast experience, more than 3 years there.
More than 3 years.
More than 3 years I worked there. And that was in a very busy hospital, in a tertiary care hospital. And our tertiary care hospitals are not like QE. You get 1200 patients in a day. 1,000 patients in a day. You have to deal them.
Yes.
1,000 patients. You are only 2 or 3 doctors in such a small room, and you are getting. Sometimes we just remove the door from our clinic. Don't, because open 1,000, you open and close it, Of course, it will break like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
How is going in clinic here, sir?
Very good, it's very good. People are very helping.
Can you say about the administration?
Administration of
What
the
did
reps,
you do?
I know him almost 2 years ago.
Yes.
So we are always in contact. Others, do you have any job? Yes, I have job, doctor, come. No, I have job, I cannot come. Like this, so all these 2 years we were in contact. Sometimes he will call me, sometimes I will call him. It's a very friendly manner. So even now, for example, if some employee is calling me again and again, doctor, you are doing this, no, it's not here. So I'm very, very satisfied here.
Doctor, if you come to any serious patient or any serious condition, how you deal with them? You refer to the.
But there is a special protocol for that.
Yes.
You have to first stabilize the patient. The maximum you can do.
Yes.
For example, even you find a patient who will expire within 2 minutes. You get 2 minutes. Within these 2 minutes, you have to give your maximum.
Yes.
Even for example, when you go to any big hospital, their death rate is very high. For example, they will get at least 3 or 4 casualties in a day, or in a week at least 4 deaths. So whenever there is an audit, they will not ask you, doctor, this patient died, it's your fault. No. This patient was dying. Doctor, what you did? This is the question. What you did? I did my best. I support him with CPR, I gave him fluids, I gave him injection, I called the ambulance on time, I activated the emergency services in the hospital, but instead of all this, he died. Not your fault. You are a competent doctor, you can deal with the emergency, that's enough.
How many doctors you have?
Only one.
Only one?
Yes.
Only one?
Yes.
My best wishes.
Thank you so much.
And success.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
شكرا.
You are an IT engineer.
Yeah, thank you so much.
How is going your job?
I'm good, it's going great. And it's a great pleasure to work here. And being a part of this organization is very good for me. Like a good experience. I'm a newcomer and a fresher, and I'm working here. I'm getting a lot of experience. And
How many time you are working here as a receptionist?
here almost about 6 months. From 6 months I'm working here.
What's the process you will do?
Yeah, usually used to resolve the issues related to the line network, first of all, according to the network size, like IT side, and the system maintenance, everything. And apart from that,
machine also is repairing.
everything related to the devices, system, monitors, printers, and everything.
Server.
The connectivity server, all like that. And also in the leisure time, apart from that, we used to handle the customers at the reception also. And we are trying to satisfy our customers with the high possibilities. Like they should be satisfied with our services. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Best wishes with you.
Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you so much.
حسين بن طيب.
हम डायमंड क्लिनिक में यहाँ के एक मौजूद हुसैन अली माशाल्लाह हुसैन अली कैसे हैं आप? कैसे चल रहा है आपका काम? क्या करते हैं आप इधर?
मार्केटिंग करते हैं।
मार्केटिंग करते हैं। मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं आप?
मार्केटिंग
क्या?
कोई पेशेंट है, एक्सरे अल्ट्रासाउंड,
हाँ,
कोई इमरजेंसी पेशेंट है उसको
कैसे मालूम आपको कि ये पेशेंट है? मार्केटिंग करने का
कोई रेफरल पेशेंट, कोई अल्ट्रासाउंड एक्सरे पेशेंट रहता है,
नहीं, आप बाजार में जाते हैं, राउंड करते हैं मार्केटिंग के लिए?
वो भी करते हैं। और
कैसे?
जो मार्केटिंग बस कोई पेशेंट है,
हाँ,
कोई
लेकर आते हैं उसको
लेकर आने का रहता है।
कंपनी से भी।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा।
उसको कोई कंपनी कैंप में जाना है, जाके जो है सो उसको पेशेंट को हम बताते हैं हमारा क्लिनिक अच्छा है।
माशाल्लाह। क्या क्वालिफिकेशन?
मेरी क्वालिफिकेशन इंटर सेकेंड ईयर।
सेकेंड ईयर। माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। कैसे चल रहा है काम आपका?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह।
जी
ये लो, मार्केटिंग उसको बोलते हैं आप कि आप कम से कम कम्युनिटी में जाके यहाँ की उनको सर्टिफाई कराना हमारी क्लिनिक के ताल्लुक से कि हमारा क्लिनिक कैसे काम करता है, कितने अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं और बिल्कुल राहत से काम करता है। तो जितनी ज़्यादा मार्केटिंग आप करेंगे उतने पेशेंट्स
अपने पेशेंट्स
आएंगे। मार्केटिंग के मीन्स आप जाके अपने हॉस्पिटल का इंट्रोड्यूस कराना उनसे।
जी
कई दुकानें, कई गैरेजेस हैं इधर,
जी
जाना बताना कि भाई हमारे पास ऐसी ऐसी फैसिलिटीज है, अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं, अच्छी हर जबान करने वाले डॉक्टर्स हैं। तो मार्केटिंग इसको बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स को ले आना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट करके राग़िब कराना पब्लिक को यहाँ की। माशाल्लाह बहुत है यहाँ पर, तो इस एरिया में काफ़ी पाकिस्तानीज, इंडियन, बंगालीज, मलबारीज बहुत हैं।
जी
हाँ, चलिए आप बता लो। हैदराबाद से है माशाल्लाह, बहुत खुशी है, बहुत खुशी हुई आपसे मिलकर। ये हमारा बरगद ग्रुप फैमिली ग्रुप है,
जी
इसमें हम थोड़ा सा मालूमात, क्योंकि उमर आपके बड़े भाई हैं,
जी जी
मेरे कज़न हैं, तो आप बड़ी खुशी हुई और हमारी नेक ख्वाहिशात, नेक तमन्ना आपके साथ हैं कि क्लिनिक में आप अच्छा इसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट करेंगे, लोगों में बताएंगे। चल बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Hello sister, good evening.
Good evening.
What are you doing here? What is your job here?
I'm a nurse.
Eminence.
Yeah.
Registered.
MashaAllah. What is your name?
My name is Shamia.
From where are you from?
I am from Kerala, from India.
What are you doing? Can you explain something? What is your job here?
I am a registered nurse here. Here we are giving injections, then IV fluid, then we are checking RBS for patient, then blood pressure. I think we are doing.
My good wishes with you. Thank you very much. We are from Bardaj Group. It is our family group. Which is your boss also with us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.